Hello everyone, it has been a while since I made a new tutorial video, and in this one I am going to show a new image trace feature in Amadine. Now you'll see here that I have an AI generated image of Angie, and this is a pixel based image. So if you want to import images, then you would press up here in the main menu, go to import, and then say photos or file. So what I'm going to do to convert this into a vector image, I'm going to select it. Now go into the Path tab, and now here I'm going to select Trace. And now right away you'll see that there are two different tabs, Monochrome and Colored. Now with Monochrome, you can first adjust how much brightness and threshold you want. And if you bring it all the way, then everything is black. But then bring it all the way down, everything is color. And then the next area is details. So if you look at Angie's belt, for example, you see that if I bring it all the way down, the entire belt turns black. Turn it all the way up, then we see all of the belt. And then smoothness would be specifically the curves. So I'm going to bring the brightness down so you can see this more. So let's zoom into her shoulder, for example. So when I bring the smoothness up, see how the line work is more curved? There's more smoothness to it. Now, something that I learned is that, let's say I do not want to apply these changes and then go into the color tab. It will not give me the same result as it was originally, because it will have everything be based off of the changes you made in the monochrome tab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this button, Restore Defaults. Okay, now I'm going to work with just the color tab now and not the monochrome tab. Now you'll see that right now there is a total of 8 colors because that's what's mentioned here. So I'm going to bring this up to 16 colors. And there were some slight changes, kind of hard to tell. Level of detail. So it's I was at 90. Let's bring it down just to see what happens. And you'll see that that doesn't really look well for this particular image because her eye, nose, and mouth disappeared. Let's add more smoothness. And you also have the option to create a grayscale. So I'm going to select this. And you have all the same options, but just in grayscale and not color. And if you want to toggle between what it looked like originally between what it looks like now, just uncheck where it says show result. So I'm going to increase the detail because I want it to look similar to the original. I want to see that beautiful smile. Number of colors, let's increase the colors more. Let's bring the smoothness down. And then once you're done, you don't have to confirm changes. It confirms automatically as you're changing the settings. And then, of course, you can edit this as you would any vector object. I'm going to just double tap. See, these are now separate vector objects. And that is what you need to know about the image trace in Amadine. It's really nice that they added this feature in. Thank you for watching.